The burnout trap. These days, we all fall onto this trap often, such as juggling with too many meetings, deadlines, facing issues such as sleep deprivation. We are constantly struggling with other hustles of life. Don't worry. We have got 7 slow living real-time examples and hacks for you to handle them effectively. It's about intentionality. It's about achieving a higher quality of life while maintaining or even increasing productivity. Example 1. Imagine a high-powered executive, always on the go, constantly juggling deadlines and meetings, finally collapsing from exhaustion. This is the reality for many in today's fast-paced world, where the focus is on constant output rather than human well-being. This constant pressure leads to burnout, impacting productivity, creativity, and life satisfaction.
Example 2.
Consider the case of a young entrepreneur starting their own business and working tirelessly to achieve success. They are constantly connected, checking emails and notifications, even during personal time. This always-on culture is creating a generation of burnt-out individuals. They discovered the power of minimalism, simplifying their life by letting out burnout activities, by realigning the critical projects, commitments, and also realize the importance of inspiring and working together with the team. Example 3. Think about a busy professional who finally decided to reclaim her time and energy. She decided to turn off all notifications. She set dedicated work hours and a dedicated workspace. By minimizing distractions, she was able to maximize her focus and achieved more in less time. Example 4. Imagine a manager struggling to juggle multiple projects and responsibilities. He learned to prioritize tasks, delegate responsibilities, and eliminate low-impact tasks, freeing up his time and reducing stress. Instead of spending too much time glued to the devices, he decided to disconnect and connect to the real world with quick short breaks, a digital detox. Let's quickly look at another example. Example 5. Think about an exhausted individual who is struggling to maintain his energy levels. He started incorporating regular physical activity into his routine, finding that it boosted his energy, reduced stress, and improved his overall well-being. Example 6. Think of someone who felt trapped in the constant hustle and bustle of city life. She realized the importance of spending time in nature, going for walks in the park, or even simply sitting and breathing in the fresh air. Example 7. Imagine a person who is constantly struggling with sleep deprivation, impacting her productivity and mood. She realized the importance of prioritizing sleep, establishing a regular sleep schedule, and creating a relaxing bedtime routine.